This Jorgensen chamfering plane is one of the handiest tools I have around. When I'm working on any type of planter box or raised garden beds, it works good on cedar. Just don't take too deep of a bite. Ease into it. Just make sure you got it kind of clear. Cleans up that edge. I'm gonna take a little more. This is straight out of the box. I got this last summer. That one. But you can see it just cleans it up a little bit without pulling out a router. This is a piece of mahogany. I'm holding this up for filming purposes. It would be a little easier if I was doing this on a work surface, but just give it a few passes. Fancies it up a little bit. It's aluminum. It's got a compartment where you can store other bits in it. It's poor man's router for chamfering corners. And this is really an invaluable tool. It's just ease. It's quick. It's not like setting up your router.